Today is Tuesday, May the 5th, and we're ready to talk about division again. Okay, Mr. Hyatt. So, whenever we're doing division, we always look at the total number first. So, how many, if we're looking at some questions, how many Euler signs are there all together?
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15.
Perfect. So, there's 15 Euler signs.
Yeah.
How many sets are there?
There are 3 sets.
Yeah, so if we have 15 divided into 3, what's the Euler sign in each set?
You mean how many?
Yeah,
there are 5 in each set.
exactly. So 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Is there another way we could say this?
Well, you always have to start with the largest amount, which is 15.
Yeah.
But what we can do then is divide by how many are in each group.
Perfect.
To find out how many groups there are. So there are 5 in each group, so it'd be 15 divided by 5 equals 3.
Perfect. Okay. Now there are some related multiplication sentences that can go with this as well.
Yes.
So what would they be?
So we could say, first of all, there's 3, and then there's groups of 5, which equals 15.
So 3 groups of 5 equals 15. Or what's the other one?
You could say that there's 5 in 3 groups equals 15.
Perfect. So here are your related fact families right there. We've got 15 divided by 3 equals 5. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. 3 times 5 equals 15. And 5 times 3 equals 15. Perfect, Mr. Hyatt. Okay, so now let's look at panda bears. Kaylee loves panda bears, so I thought we should do that.
Okay.
So what's the total number of panda bears?
Well, I just counted really quickly, and there are 8.
Yeah, and how many sets are there?
There are 2.
Perfect. So then the question is, how many panda bears in each set?
4.
4. Perfect. Is there another way we can write this division sentence?
Yes, we can go, of course you have to start with 8 because that's the amount that we have in total. But you can divide it by 2 groups to find out how many are in each group.
Yeah.
Or that's the first one we did, sorry. Or we can divide by the number in each group to find out how many groups.
Yeah.
So 8 divided by 4 equals 2.
Perfect. What about a multiplication sentence?
Well, we could say there are 2 groups of 4 equals 8.
So here that one is. Perfect.
Or you could say there's 4 in 2 groups, which equals 8.
So here are your 4 related fact families. Perfect. Oh wait, one last one. And lots of my boys love Lego, so I decided to do Lego for my last one. Oh wait, so first of all, we always have to count total number. Yes. Yeah, so?
Well, there are 12.
12? How did you do that so fast?
Well, I clearly saw that there's 3 in each group, and I saw that there were 4 groups. So.
Yeah, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 12. Perfect. Okay, so 12 divided into
4 groups.
4 sets, yeah, equals
3.
3 in each set. So there's that first one. What's the next one that we could do?
Well, we could say 12, and there's 3 divided by 3 in each set to find out how many sets, which are 4.
Perfect. What about multiplication?
We could say there's 4 groups of 3.
Yeah, which equals
12.
Perfect. And last one?
We could say that there are 3 in each group, and there's 4 groups, so 3 times 4 is 12.
Perfect. Perfect, Mr. Hyde. Thank you so much. So you need to do pages number 16, 17, and 18, but just the top part, just question number 2. And then if you want to do bonuses, 3, 4, and 5 are bonus, okay, on page 18. All right, thank you so much, guys. Have fun. Thanks.